Jess here with RealAgriculture.com. I'm here today at Farm Progress Show in Boone, Iowa, and I have here with me Arti Singh, who is an assistant professor at the Iowa State University. How is it going today?
Pretty good.
So we're here today to talk about some of the research you guys have been looking at with insect pests, and now the scouting app you guys have developed. What can you tell me about it?
So we have created this AI-powered smartphone app. It can identify around 2,000 insect pests. Basically, the idea is that every farmer has a phone in their pocket. So we are trying to train this artificial intelligence app to identify these insect pests. So this app can not only identify the adult stage insect, but it can also identify in various stages, like a nymph or caterpillar. So that's the beauty, that it can identify various stages, just not one stage.
So how quickly does it work? You know, you're out in the field, you're IDing this. How quickly do those results come back?
So it gives you right away the results. As soon as you take a picture, in real time it tells which insect it is harmful or beneficial. And in later stage, we are trying to incorporate the IPM strategies, so it is useful for the farmers when they're using it. So
how close do you have to be able to take the picture? How accurate does the picture have to be?
So you have to make sure that it is coming in a frame. So when you are taking, the picture is in the center of the frame, and it works right away.
Okay, and what do you need for internet connectivity if you're in a rural area that maybe doesn't have the best internet? How does this work?
Yeah, so what you can do is you can take a picture, and when you get back to home or wherever this internet connectivity is there, you can use the image which you took earlier, and it will tell you the results. So here we are seeing a spotted lanternfly. So right now we are taking a picture of spotted lanternfly, and in real time it will tell you which insect it is. And here we have the adult spotted lanternfly, and this is what I said. The beauty is that it can tell the adult as well as the nymph stage. So next picture is a nymph of spotted lanternfly, and here we are taking a picture with our app, and in real time it takes the picture and it tells what it is. And spotted lanternfly is an invasive insect which is just detected in Dallas County in Iowa, and our app can identify both adult and nymph. We also have this insect pest which is in our corn, and our app can also identify this insect. So as I said, we have trained this app currently on 2,000 insect pest species, and it can identify these 2,000 insect species currently.
How long has this been worked on?
So we have been working this since 2018, but right now we have a right size of data, the magic number. So we have been able to make it work this year on insect pest. We started our work with diseases, but with diseases we didn't have that enough data set. But with insect pest, we have enough data set, and we were able to make it work.
Now, when is the app set to launch?
So we are trying somewhere early next year, that is 2023.
Okay, sounds good. And if a producer's in here and they're walking by, what are they most excited about when it comes to this app?
I guess the excitement, the best excitement, or the best part of this app is that it can tell various stages right away. So information is every farmer's pocket. So you don't have to go through manuals and papers. As soon as you see an insect, you take a picture, and in real time it tells you IPM strategies connected with it.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much for your time.